Hi. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so long. It has been so long. Actually, maybe by the time you're watching this video, you wouldn't feel like it's long because I'm hoping to put up a video or maybe even two before this one. I filmed Thanksgiving in Colorado last year. This is June, by the way. Last year, November, I refused to upload it for whatever reason. I filmed Paris February of this year. I have not even edited it, let alone uploading it. So yes, I may put those two up. I will put those two up before you see this one, so maybe it won't be long, but I have not uploaded in a long time before recording this video. So yes, it has been a long time. If you're new, welcome back to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. My name is Helen, and we are filming today. We're filming Shein Try On Haul. So a lot of my dresses have become short. I mean, in the past, the dresses that they were wearing long to begin with, so they became short very fast, and then they also, some of them got tight. I just decided that, you know what, I want to buy new dresses. I want to just kind of, I wouldn't call it change of wardrobe because not a lot, but I bought some good pieces. Hopefully they are good. I mean, they're from Shein, so sometimes it can be a miss, but anyway, I want to put those on and show you what they look like. All right, so let's get started. I've already removed them from the packaging and whatnot. I was gonna film this long time ago but I didn't get a chance to, so today I want to do it and get it over with. So yes, they are lying in bed right now, and I'm just gonna pick each of them and wear them. All right, we're gonna get started. Also, if I seem a little distracted here and there, that's because my baby is here. I was trying to wait for her to sleep first before I do this, but honestly I cannot wait. I just want to get this over with, so I'm hoping that I can film with her. This is my first time. This will be my first time filming since, no, not since I've had a baby. Well, I would say this is my first time filming like a standing video like this since I've had a baby. So I've filmed Colorado Thanksgiving, I've filmed Paris wedding, but they've been a vlog star, right? So, you know, moving around and whatnot. So this is my first time actually standing and filming a video, and she's not asleep, so let's hope that I can make this work. All right, let's get started. Let's get into it. So my first piece is this yellow dress. So honestly speaking, I'm hoping that these pieces really work, because somehow I'm just looking at them like, would that fit? And as much as, I don't know if I mentioned, okay, so I said that my old clothes are starting to fit, get tight, right? So, but at the same time, I don't want to buy like a bigger size. Like, I don't want to up my size because I'm not there yet. Yes, I'm adding a little weight here and there, but I don't think I've added so much to upsize. So hopefully, so I bought my same size, but somehow they're looking big. I don't know. Let's see. I just knew this was going to be big. I just knew. I knew it. I knew it. It wouldn't have been bad if it wasn't big. Oh, material is not bad. A little see-through. I don't even remember the size I got this in. Oh god. Yeah, this is what it looks like. A little big. This is dress number 2. It's not bad. This one totally a little big, but it's those stretchy materials that it still works, right? It's also see-through, and when I mean see-through, like it's not so see-through, but I can totally see my I can totally see my skin here, so I would wear something longer underneath, right, to cover this part. So yes, it is a little see-through, but it could totally work. It's not bad at all. It's somehow this would totally come in handy. It's long enough. It's not getting short anytime soon. Yeah. This is another red dress, although a slightly different shade. I like this one. It's a little loose as well, and this is a size small. Now I'm beginning to think this sizing, they are all wrong. But this is a size small. It's not tight. I feel like as a size small, it should have been tighter. But I like it because it's a little free. Like I said, it's summer. I don't want something too tight anyway. So I want something a little free that, you know, I don't feel too hot and stuff like that. So this is very free. It is light. I like it. I don't mind. It's what it looks like at the back. I don't mind it at all. I could totally wear this to church. Just, you know, a little bit of steaming and it should work. I can put a little belt here to kind of snatch this part. But other than that, I like it. Long enough. I like this one. I like this one. This is really nice. It fits perfectly well. I love the neckline. I love how, as tiny as it looks, it's very, very elastic. Like, look at that. I have a dress that it's the neck area, the neckline is so tiny, so small, it's a struggle to wear. So this one, I like it. I like the detailing here, and I like how this place is. It's beautiful. This is what it looks like at the back. It's so long. Even with heels, you barely see my heels. You'll barely be able to see it if I'm wearing heels. It's not bad at all. I love it. The material is great. This is good. This could go for a wedding, dinner date, stuff like that. I like it. Could also go for church. I could totally wear this to church. I like it. Like, this is the best one so far. Then the red that I wore last. Yes, this one and then that red. So yes, this is beautiful. I'm not understanding. I'm not understanding. Yes, I'm not understanding. What is it supposed to be? Like, what with this side? I don't understand. Is this supposed to come this way like this? If so, I don't like it. I do not like it. I'm trying to bring in the middle, but it looks like that's how it is, to be like this. Honestly, I don't think... I think it's a little big, but I think it will work. But this part, I don't understand. It's long, it's good enough. It's free. I like that it's free. It's light on the body. But maybe after I steam it, you know, accessorize, maybe it will come out. I don't know. I don't know. Do you like it like this? Is this how it's supposed to be? On the side? That's the style? That beautiful? These dresses I got this time around, that's some. I give it apology. No, it's not bad, except for this part. I may have to get over it or not. I feel like I can make it work. Also, it has a this at the back to make it tighter around the neck. So, like so. You know, now that I'm looking at it, I think it's wearing on me. I think it's looking good. I think it's looking good. I wore it properly. I think it's looking good. We'll see. This is a basic but decent and beautiful dress. The neckline, I think it goes like this. But I'm wearing my nursing bra, so I'm trying to kind of cover up the straps. But I think it looks like this, which is not bad. I like the thoughts they put into that. Yeah, like something like that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's not so long. It's a mini dress. But it's beautiful. Hi. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really nice. It's really nice. It's not bad at all. Where did this thing come from? I don't know. It's a little thin, so you know, I'll wear something underneath, like an undergarment. But other than that, it's beautiful. I have like what, 5 more dresses to go. I don't know if I'm going to make it at this rate. Excuse me. I'm not really a fan of florals, but this is giving. This is really giving. I love the draping right here. I love that. I love that it snatches the bodycon vibe, and I love, I don't know if you can see, it's bodycon, but it's not bodycon all the way here that snugs this part. So it's kind of, you're right, it kind of goes like this. I like it. I really like it. This could work. This could go for summer outing. Yeah. My baby. I love the draping here as well. This detailing. It's so beautiful. It's really nice. It's flowy. I mean, this part. I like it. Yeah? You like it too? This is not so flattering, but I feel like it works. It's not bad. I don't know, maybe it's just my love now for like light clothing, because this is light. This is light. It's very, this is light. It's long enough. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, it's just, it feels like it's my style. I don't know. It's a. You see the back right there? Oh, it could be a beautiful summer dress. Like, I feel like you wear it to the beach. You know, if you don't want to like wear bikini or something. It really works. I don't know. I just like it. I just like it. I really like it. I feel like, okay, so I have a plan today. I'm going out a cookout. I feel like I could wear this to the cookout. It's just very free, very simple. Yeah? It's definitely not everybody's style. It's not for everybody. But I like it. This is nice, but it's too tight. This is not what I was expecting. It's too tight. It's supposed to be, you know, those kind of bridesmaid dresses, like free. That's what I was hoping to get, not this one. I don't know. It's not bad, but maybe like I said, you know, I'm not into tight. Well, I mean, the Aflora was tight, I get it, but that's different. This one, this is not the vibe I was looking for. I don't know if I'll wear it like that. Maybe wear it on a date. Other than that, I don't know. It's not bad. It's supposed to be silk or satin. It's none of those. It's none of those two. This is a no-no. It is see-through and it's short. That's not the idea. I have short dresses, right? I'm not looking for another short dress. Yeah, it's see-through. That's what I'm covering up. I don't know whose idea is this. This is not bad. I feel like a lot of my dresses, these dresses are all basic, so bear with me if you were expecting something more. I just wanted some basic clothes, a little bit, you know, some a little bit exaggerated, or I don't know what other word could I use for that, like something. But some of them I also want them basic, something I can just wear out. So yeah, the dresses are basic, something like this, but I really like them, and I really wanted them. I just want to be able to wear something like this out without having to worry about it being too fashionable or short. So yes, this is another piece and I like it. This two-piece set is not bad at all. You leave my camera. This is it. This literally, I just put it on my neck. That's all. Just put it through your head. Sits on your shoulder. That's it. I like it. Fits well. It's not bad. I don't know if you could go to church because of this. I'm not sure. Alright, this is the second to the last outfit, but I think I'm just gonna stop here because I'm tired myself and I need to attend to my baby. So I'm just gonna stop here. I'll show you what the last one looks like, but I'm not going to wear it. I haven't done this video in a while, so I don't even have words for some of these things that I'm wearing. I don't even know how to explain some of them, so I'm just gonna end it here. Let me show you what the last one is. This is it. It's a skirt, which is ridiculously too long compared to what I saw online. Like, it's long, even with high heels, it's long, but it has this design where like a high low. It's like high low right there, and this, I thought it was supposed to be white, but there are these black stripes there, and it came with this black top, which I wasn't expecting. I thought you have to wear your own black top. I didn't know it was a two-piece set, so it came with this black top. This one will definitely come in handy, but I've had something like that. I have something like this anyway, so it'll just be a double. The skirt, I'm not sure, but like I said, I'm not in the mood anymore. I don't want to wear it. This one is nice, maybe worth the charge, maybe not. I'm ending this video here. I'm tired. Anyway, I do really want to shout out to my baby though for letting me do this video. Like I said, I haven't done one with eyeing it like this before, so yes, thank you baby A for allowing me. But yes, I'm going to end this here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not sure if you enjoyed it. I don't know. I haven't done this in a while. I haven't watched Shein hauls or any hauls in a while, so I don't even know if I did a good job with this haul. But please bear with me if you enjoyed it. If you don't, just for the efforts that I made, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, all of that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Hopefully it won't be long. All right, take care, bye.